Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Flash Custom Transfers brought to you by Straight Outta Content. Guys, I just want to tell you guys about our new Saturday Small Business Saturday. Tomorrow, it's Friday, 11/25 at 11:04 p.m. guys. I'm just making this quick video, Houston Central Time. But if you use code at 8 a.m., again, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., I'll try to go live around 8 a.m., but I will be live sometime between these hours to let you guys know. For all the people who missed the big Black Friday sale, it's okay. We will have this Small Business Saturday sale, so please come out, support your small business, guys. You'll be able to come to the website, and everything on the entire website will be 20% off. So once you get to checkout, you're just going to type in the code Shopsmall, wham, wham, and you will get 20% off your entire order, okay? So, and again, I know that you guys missed out on a lot of stuff, so we just want to show our appreciation. And, don't forget to gear up. Each sale is going to be a little different. So we got this Saturday sale. We don't know if we're going to do a Cyber Monday sale, but we will let you know if we decide to. Because we've been doing a lot of sales to Black Friday, but we had so many people miss out on the Black Friday sale, so we just wanted to show you guys some appreciation. You guys gave us another 12 hours to come up with a good idea, and we did. So 20% off. You're going to come to the website, Flash Custom Transfers, and you're going to use promo code SHOPSMALL. Okay, guys? And then you just come on down here, select whatever you want. If you want the 22 by 60s or some singles or the OG 22 by 24s. Oh, yep. I guess these will be 20% off too. Maybe I need to change that. But everything will be 20% off, guys. 20%. Look at all these pre-made gang sheets. Pre-made gang sheets, which are $15, will be 20% off, guys. So please come in. All this Christmas gang sheet stuff, guys. Please come to the website. Get it while it's hot. Pre-made gang sheets. Come in here, order all the stuff that you want, and then hit that type in that code at the end, shop small. Type in all caps, shop small for your promo code, and you guys will be able to get that 20% off. All right, guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of put it on the channel so that you guys could see it and just gear up, because at 8 a.m. I will be making this go live so you guys can take advantage of it. And then it will end at 5 p.m. Okay, guys? All right. Thank you for everything. Be basic. Peace.